Okay, so you had asked about how to cut shapes apart. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a shape and then go up here to model. Once you have one shape that you want to cut up, you would then want to add a different shape. And then, apologize, I'm still bad at this. Then sort of put it where you want to chop it. So if you want to cut off this corner here. So with the shape you want to cut out, that you want to be the cut, you have it selected and you choose Negate here, and you should see it turns red. And then what you need to do is, I held down the Shift key. I think you'd hold Control as well, but you hold Shift and you click on the second thing. So now both of these things are selected. You can see that over here, they're both selected. And then when you do Union, you join them and you cut that red shape out of the non-red shape. So again, if I wanted to make another part, I wanted to make like a cylinder here, I can rotate this like that, and then I can scale it up to make it bigger, like this. And then, see again, I'm very bad at this, but I'm learning. And then if I scale this and then make it really big, I can then say, okay, this is what I want to cut out of here. So I negate this, so it's red. I hold Shift, I click on this piece, so they're both selected. Again, negative part, Union. They're both selected, and then I hit Union, boop, and then it cuts a hole. Here, can we get down there to see it? Oh, yeah, see, so it's like, we're starting to make a little piece of Swiss cheese here. I guess I should have started with a wedge if I was going to do that. But that's how you do it. And then the other thing you can do then is, let's say you wanted to add a part, but you didn't want to cut it out. You wanted to say, hey, I want this to be part of this. I want these two things to sort of, oops, again, I'm very bad at this. I apologize if you're getting sick, just like watching me move around here. So you have these two parts. Jeez, stop moving. So you have this thing, and then you select this. And if you have these two things selected and you didn't negate, you can just say Union, and then it makes this whole thing one big piece. So now this is, that sphere is part of this thing now. In the same way we had cut it out before, it's now a part of it, so it doesn't go away. It's like, it's in there, it's on there. So you could do all sorts of funky things where you combine all sorts of pieces and then chop them out. So that's how you cut them up and you put them together.